Change your iPhone photo background in seconds. First, go to the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on the search bar in the bottom and search for Background Changer app. Scroll down until you find a decent background changer app. Tap on Get, and this will begin the installation. Once the app is installed, tap on Open. In the app, find the Cutout tool. Now, choose the photo you want to edit. Use the app's Auto Cutout tool to remove background from the original photo. Then, tap on Next. And this is where we apply a new background. Select Customize down below, and then tap on Photos. Now, select the new background image from your photo library. If the background fits perfectly, tap on the tick at the bottom, and then save the final image. You can preview the new photo with updated background from the gallery, and that's it. Follow and subscribe for more iPhone tips.